So let's see what our breeder, Miss Kate Jackson, sent to Finn for his 1-year birthday tomorrow.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No whiny, wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a Great Dane stand 6.
Have a great day. Big, tight. There you go, stay. What is it, Saturday? Dog is live. Continue. The Magic's our tolerant boy. Finn sleeps through the night, as witnessed here. Finn at 3 months. He just had a bath upstairs. I love you. Oh, I love you. You're a good boy. Do a short one. Two Great Danes laying on a 38 by 54-inch bed together. Finn and Magic say vote for Casey! So he's about 130 pounds now. This is the puppy. He's friendly. So let's see what our breeder, Miss Kate Jackson, sent to Finn for his 1-year birthday tomorrow. Thank you, Kate. What do you got?
Finn!
Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. Finn. Oh, Magic, you want in?
Hi,
Magic says
Magic.
it's not. Where's my birthday present?
Yeah.
Well, I hope these last.
Wow.
But if oh my goodness, look at that.
Those are so cute.
You
Oh,
wanna have that,
Magic.
Magic? Take it. You can have it. And octopus.
Octopus.
Finn says
And a
they're all
whale.
good. And a whale. Well, thank you, Kate.
That is so
You can never have enough chew
nice.
toys with these guys. These are so wild.
I think he likes it.
Oh. Wow. Magic, it's a little unboxing.
Magic is very interested. Oh.
How awesome.
Oh.
Thank you so much. It is
Magic
so
wants
sweet.
some of that.
That is awesome. Well, I guess everybody gets a little taste of this. All right, now we'll give them a little bite. Oh, look at that. Finn gets the first one. Oh, it's like peanut butter, and I would eat it. Smell that. Smell it.
I did.
No, smell it. Oh, that smells good. You guys want a little more? Oh, they like it. Good boy. Whoa!
Oh. Magic.
Gentle? Okay. Look at he's like got a crazy look in his eye. Good boy. Magic, gentle. Okay, good boy. Finn, last one.
You a little nervous, sir?
Who? On him? No. Okay, that's it. This was great. Thanks, Kate. do it. Oh my God. Hey, so it's Finn's 1-year birthday. Just wanted to tell you how well he's doing. He's a great dog, and let's not forget Magic here. Magic's awesome. And a big buck just ran across the road, and luckily these guys didn't go anywhere, but that's why Finn is so attentive. Sit. Say. Sit. Good boy. So they may not be actual security dogs, but they certainly serve their purpose, and a few barks and I think most people just move on to the next house that they might be thinking they could go ahead and have a try at. Ready to say goodbye to the kids who are headed back to college, and it'll go back to just me and Heidi and the Danes and the cat and the snakes. Finn, happy birthday. You're a great Great Dane, and that doesn't mean I don't love this guy just as much. Something I don't love about Finn, continues to chew the wall, but that's for another day. Hope you're enjoying this ride of Finn and Magic the Great Dane. Appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, share it with your friends. We're going to keep these going. It's going to be an amazing trip with these two fantastic dogs, Finn and Magic. Have a great day.
Great Dane stand 6'5", feel his cold wet nose when I close my eyes. It's a Great